Creating a WhatsApp link is a simple process that allows users to initiate a conversation with you or your business on the popular messaging platform. To start, you will need a WhatsApp account and a phone number associated with it. First, determine the purpose of your WhatsApp link. Are you creating it for personal use or for a business? This will help you decide what message to include in your link. Next, go to the WhatsApp website and navigate to the WhatsApp Business or click to Chat page. This page provides a simple tool to generate a WhatsApp link. To generate the link, you will need to provide your WhatsApp phone number in the international format, including the country code, but without any zeros, brackets, or special characters. For example, if your phone number is 12345678890 and you are in the United States, your international format would be 11,234,567,890. After entering your phone number, you can add a pre-filled message to your link. This can be a simple greeting or an introduction to your business. The message should be short and to the point, as it will be visible to users when they click on the link. Once you have entered your phone number and message, click on the Generate Link button. WhatsApp will then provide you with a unique link that you can share with others. This link can be shared on social media, websites, or via email. When someone clicks on your WhatsApp link, it will open the WhatsApp application on their device, and they will be able to send you a message. The pre-filled message you included in the link will be automatically inserted into the text field, making it easy for users to start a conversation. Best practices for creating WhatsApp links include keeping your phone number and message up to date, and using a clear and concise message that reflects the purpose of your link. You should also test your link to ensure it is working correctly before sharing it with others. By following these steps, you can create a WhatsApp link that allows users to easily initiate a conversation with you or your business. This can be a valuable tool for customer service, sales, and marketing, and can help you connect with your audience in a more personal and engaging way.